Jordan Luka foregone camping channels Luka Dončić's adventurous personality by moving from the earlier gone fishing theme toward a wilderness-inspired design. Featuring pine green accents on the heel to mirror forest tones, bright orange overlays that echo outdoor gear, and speckled details that add rugged flair, the sneaker draws inspiration directly from nature. Its standout detail is the embroidered patch showcasing mountains, forest, and sky, which replaces the traditional 3D three-star emblem to emphasize exploration and discovery. While bold in aesthetics, the sneaker also keeps its roots in on-court performance, blending storytelling and function in one package. Retailing at $135 and releasing on September 4, the Luka foregone camping celebrates both basketball culture and off-court lifestyle energy, merging performance with creativity in a design that captures the spirit of the outdoors.